Hello, friends. It is your friend, CryptoFace. And boy, I tell ya, we're taking a break from the World of Warcraft classic release. And I'm seeing many interesting things in the financial market as a whole, not just Bitcoin. But we'll start with Bitcoin. Taking a look at the daily, we have a new little triangle that's ending here. And as I said before, I don't quite believe we're ready for the dump just yet. I believe a bigger dump will come in September, whether it be backed or something else. But that does give us just enough time to make a smaller triangle, a third triangle. We have one big one, another smaller one, and one more smaller one. That leads us right into September 23rd when backed releases. And this will be the perfect time for a big dump downwards. Yes, I know, Moon Boys, that backed is backed by Bitcoin in order to trade, but that does not matter. You know, when gold futures first came out, gold futures, it dumped. And I'll tell you what, to those who think, well, don't they want their Bitcoin to go up in value? Don't they want their Bitcoin to go up? Sure. But what they want to do first is accumulate more Bitcoin. You see, when you dump and you scrape, you get more Bitcoin. When you pump and you sell, you have less Bitcoin. So if you want to gain an asset, you dump the market. When you want to get rid of an asset, you pump it and then dump it. See? Now, the trades we've had these past good few days have been small little gains, but gains at that. And so, yeah, it could dump down right now. I'm not counting out that possibility. We definitely broke into the red. And just based off the past of what I've seen before, I would say we have at least another little peak of a green wave to come up. It would only be natural for a little more green to come up, and then see ya. If we have a little green come up and that baby starts to curve down, big dump right here. I'm telling you, it's lining up. It's lining up perfectly. It's lining up perfectly. And when it happens, and we're only a few weeks away, 3 or 4 weeks away, they will say that CryptoFace warned you. So hopefully you will be prepared for that day. Now, yes, I have been longing Bitcoin and taking my little 7-8% gains. The amount I've been trading, position size and whatnot is lower. I am very busy. I have many things going on. Podcast, the studio, I officially move in on the 1st. Market, Cypherbot, Cynthia, working on that. So, and I could be wrong, but this looks like we can have one more little triangle. It's going to lead us right into backed. There is still the chance of technically a little smiley face like we've had before, sure, but I just, it's not looking good. It's not looking good. One more little triangle. I think we're making one more little triangle. Again, if I'm wrong, I will fall on this sword, as I have before. For those of you that are not brand new to this channel, I have mentioned how bullish overall I am on gold. I am so bullish on gold. We saw Lesio Rastani did a video saying, is this the top for gold? Hell no, it is not. No way. In fact, the new all-time highs, I believe, for gold are going to be very high. Very high. Ooh, yeah. We'll come up to this baby. No problemo. No problemo. Might not happen right now. Sure, there may be turbulence, but I'm talking over the next couple years. Gold is not something that I would necessarily trade back and forth. Gold is something that you truly want to hodl, as the Moon Boys say. Never really liked that word, hodl. Oh, hodl. Sounds like a Reddit nerd that is short-minded and calls everything he doesn't know a scam. Now, as far as the stock market, we are at many interesting points. All across the market, we are at bottoms, double bottoms. All across the market. I have a short on Brookfield. I see an easy path down. This could be a big one, even if it doesn't hit all the way down, even if it just comes down to $20 or something and comes back up. Not telling you to follow me on these trades, but we see an obvious pattern. Boom, 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 boom. Easy to see, in my opinion. There's a couple others, but I'm reserving those for the Bull Shark group. Taking a look at the profit logs. Let's see what we got. Oh, it looks like we just had a new one. Finally getting a hang of market cipher. Thanks so much for this indicator, CF. Thank you, Philippe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 9 out of 10 trades. Way to go, Felipe. Myself had a couple little back-to-back longs, nothing major. $1,000 here, made about $1,000 there as well. So on and so forth. Small wins, low leverage, but at least wins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 out of 10. Way to go. And you know, they can make websites trying to say that you can get market cipher for free because some shitty looking free indicator out there has something similar, and of course that people had to adjust to make it look like market cipher. Well, I'll tell you what, those adjustments took me and my partner months and months and months to tune and backtest. So if you are one of those people that says CryptoFace, he just copy and pasted some shitty free indicator out there. No, you know what? I never even heard of it. These indicators other people are talking about. And I'll say something else. Even if that was true, let's say if it was true, and I give you the benefit of the doubt, that I am some scamming piece of garbage person that copied and pasted and sold some indicator. Even if that was true, no one else, not on TradingView, not any YouTuber, was ever using momentum waves. And so, even if you think I'm a scammer, and even if you were right, which you are not, you should be thanking me for bringing this to the public eye, because now it's showing up everywhere. Now everyone's trying to use these momentum waves. And some are even saying that they are making the adjustments and that yada yada yada. So anyways, nothing compares to market cipher. And they only take one part. Market cipher A, B, support and resistance, the whole package, the community. There is no alternative that comes close to us. And if there was some free indicator out there that was giving the results that people are getting, 80, 90, 100% profitable trade rate, then it would have blown up by now. But there isn't. Since day one, I always said that Market Cipher is an indicator package of all the indicators that I use and that I've backtested and adjusted to be the most efficient and profitable for me. And I know that if I can do it and if I can use it, then so can you. Earlier today, just did a great interview with the YouTuber Crypto Love. He said he's going to air it on Friday. And I didn't show Market Cipher one time. We had a good conversation about what it takes to be a trader. And just, I don't know, different philosophical questions. And we had a good time. A long interview, about an hour long. I actually bought a t-shirt from his channel last year. So he's going to air that on Friday. But I think overall, if we don't dump right now, I'm guessing we form one more smaller triangle that perfectly leads us into the backed release dump. And let me make this clear. CryptoFace, if it hasn't been clear enough, backed is bearish short term. If they want more Bitcoin, they dump the price. If they want to get rid of their Bitcoin, they pump the price and then sell it. Nail that into your brain, because that is how it's been done since the dawn of trading, since the dawn of the financial markets. And I doubt it'll change with Bitcoin. Other than that, for more information on Market Cipher and the whale crew and whatnot, please visit shittokens.com or CryptoFaceCrypto.com. Very much looking forward to the interview airing Friday. Shout out to the whale crew, the Market Cipher people. Because most people know that they'd rather just buy they'd rather buy the Ferrari than trust some random person to build a shapeshift piece of junk with two wheels and claim that it's the same. It's not. And we got the results to back it up, and no one's gonna stop us. No person threatening my life or threatening to dox me or release some type of code. No one's got the code for the yellow X's or blood diamonds or the green dots that we have. So don't listen to any scammers and scumbags trying to act like they do, because they don't. And if this indicator package didn't work, then so many people wouldn't be trying to rip us off. So it comes with the territory. But we are the competition. And like a flower, these people try to cast shade. And so we turn downwards. But like a flower, we will look to the sun. We will look to the sun.